Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel, aka Nelly B, and I am here with Rissa, Raghana, and Mohammed of Henna Trinidad. Now, if you all saw my most previous video where I mentioned that I kind of fell off the Ayurveda bandwagon, but to look out for something soon, this is what you're looking out for. I will be collaborating with Henna Trinidad over the course of the next couple months, where I'll be sharing with you guys different tutorials. We're going to be talking about the benefits of the powders. I'm going to be doing demos and stuff on my hair, and of course we're going to have some specials in store for you. So Rissa, say hi to everybody.
Hi everybody.
Tell me what started. I mean, I know you are a henna mehendi artist, but is that the catalyst from you doing the art to you bringing any powders yourself?
Yeah, actually that was the bomb that exploded. Yeah, that is exactly what happened. Henna Trinidad came about because when I started doing my body art, locally you couldn't find any reliable product supplier.
Right.
And when you go to the puja stores, they had henna powder in these packets. They didn't have any manufacturing date, no best before date, and it was either hit or miss when you open a pack of the henna powder. So you're not too sure if it is that you're getting good henna powder or old henna powder. Is only when it is that you purchase it and you open it, then you'll know what type of henna powder it is that you're getting. So again, like I said, it was just a hit and miss. And what I started to do is that I started to import my henna powder. I started purchasing from suppliers from even the US, right? And it was a bit expensive at the beginning because remember, the US people, they would make their markup and then we would have to bring it down here. So you're talking about exactly. So you're talking about you have to pay customs, you have to pay VAT, you have to pay shipping from Florida to here, you know. So all of those things came up at a cost. So what I did is that I embarked on looking for suppliers directly from the manufacturers themselves. So that is basically how Henna Trinidad was born, really and truly. My first sale took place in October 2008, and from then on it just started to bloom. And I started to really expand, you know, experimented with different things, not just the henna alone, but this is how it is that we ended up with the place where we are at right now, where it is that we offer a wide range of Ayurvedic powders, and it's not just for the mehendi purposes. You can actually use it in your hair, which is the main thing, and you can also use most of them on your skin as well. So Henna Trinidad isn't just dedicated to body art alone. So we've branched off into, not really, I wouldn't really call it new, but we've branched off where it is that we actually offer hair care products now. All natural, no chemicals, no PPD, no preservatives. Everything is just pure natural powder. So that's where we are today.
Nice. Speaking about hair care, can you give us an idea as to the different types of powders? I mean, you mentioned henna, which is the most popular type of powder that people who use it and who may not use it will know about. But could you tell us a bit about the other powders and stuff that you offer? Okay,
so we have different powders available. We have, of course, as you rightfully said, the first traditional powder that we brought down was the normal henna powder. Right now, the normal henna powder, when you mix it, it depends on the color of your hair. Sorry, little tiny up there. Right. So the color of your hair and how it is that you mix the henna will depend on the color that you get. Right. So we're branching off from there, and we have indigo powder. So indigo powder is what it is that we would use either together with the henna or after the henna application. With the henna, will give you different shades of browns. So it depends on your ratio of henna to indigo. Then you'll know what shade of brown you'll get. And also too, if it is that you put the henna in your hair, you rinse it out, and then you apply the indigo over the henna hair, you get black. Right. So exactly. So our next powder that we move on to is Amla powder. So not just the benefits of actually helping your hair and your scalp, but the Amla actually helps you give more auburn colors, more auburn tones. Right, so if it is that you want to tone down the henna just a little bit, use the Amla together with the henna and you'll get more auburn tones, like I said. We're moving on. We have Shikakai powder, we have Brahmi powder, two of the most popular powders that we have. A lot of people come storming inside the store just for those. And the Shikakai and Brahmi are excellent hair conditioners. The Shikakai, as you know, I know you did a video just recently about the Shikakai.
I will link that under there for you all to see.
So the Shikakai powder is what it is that we used when it is that you want to shampoo your hair, essentially. So instead of using the shampoos that are on the shelves of the pharmacies and all these different places where it is that they could get body stuff. Remember, these shampoos are filled with parabens and a lot more
sodium lauryl sulfates and other things that can strip your hair.
Right, exactly. So Shikakai doesn't have any of that.
Right.
So it actually conditions and shampoos your hair and your scalp as well. The Brahmi powder will help with hair loss, it helps with thinning of your hair, and the rest of the powders that I'm going to call now, which you'll hold on to your seats when it is that I start to call them out.
Hold on.
They are more or less geared towards all these different things, whether it is premature graying, balding, hair loss, what do you call it, split ends, all these different things.
Right.
So all of these different powders are tailored to all these different things. So we have Neem, Aloe Vera, Bhringraj, Hibiscus, Rose Petal, Ashwagandha. We have a 17 herb mix. It's very, very popular right now. Actually, it's a mixture of 17 different herbs together with what it is that I've been calling out. It's excellent for your hair, excellent conditioner, excellent treatment. Yes. We have Marshmallow Root, we have Fenugreek, we have
Moringa?
Yes, we have Moringa, we have food grade Moringa. We'll get to that just now. Right. So she's pushing you guys further than you really want to go right now. So we have Cassia Obovata. Now you know that is a neutral henna powder.
That's
so it's
what
the
I use.
same henna powder, gives you all the benefits of the henna, just no color in your hair.
Right.
Right, good. We also have, let me see if it is that I can remember what else it is that we have on the shelf outside. If my memory serves me well, I know we have Marshmallow Root. I think I called her just now, right?
You did.
Yeah. So, but we have like a battalion of different powders ready to serve your needs.
I can put a list in the description box for you guys to see all the different offerings, and not just beyond the powders, but they also, we have the cosmetic glitter.
Yeah. Well, we'll touch on that. So we have a new entry to our long list of products. We have food grade powders now.
Right.
So the food grade powders are what you can use to make smoothies, you can make teas, you can sprinkle some in your food, you can cook with them. Anything it is that you want to be able to take it in internally, that is what it is that these things are for. So we have Amla, we have Ashwagandha, we have Fenugreek, we have Fennel, Moringa, Shatavari, and Triphala powder right now in stock.
Okay, I definitely need to research those.
Yeah.
Wow.
So they have a lot of different benefits. I know for one fact the ashwagandha, when taken internally, it actually helps with your hair as well too.
Okay.
So ashwagandha is one that you can actually run to. And I know when it is that people hear Amla, they're like, "Ooh, Amla, yay!" So yes, so we do have the food grade and cosmetic grade of Amla powder right now.
That's so awesome.
So
So, like you'll see, we have a whole product offering a smorgasbord of powders.
And this is just powders that we touched on. We haven't spoken about any of the different other powders. You know, I forgot to mention one key important powder that we have,
which is
the Jamila. The Jamila powder is what it is that people run behind. So when you want henna for your hair, the Jamila is the #1 go-to powder. It is the most popular powder in the whole of the world, and we have it right here. And I'm actually happy to announce now, and we could probably link this down below as well too.
Of course.
We have a pre-order sale going on right now.
Okay.
So if it is that you pre-order your Jamila, whether it is body art quality or hair quality, you're actually getting it at $35 for a pack. We retail it at $45. So this is your chance to pre-order. So how do you pre-order? You can either call and place your order by calling us at 312-5239, or you can send in your order via email through henna.trinidad@gmail.com. And again, well, I know Nelly's gonna link it below.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
So we'll have all of that information, but make sure send in your pre-orders as early as possible, because as soon as Jamila hits Trinidad, the sale is going to be closed, and whoever gets into the sale is going to get this fantastic price, and they're going to have first dibs on the best first crop for 2018.
Lovely.
Yeah.
So like I said, for those of you who use henna a lot, this is definitely a pre-order sale that you will not want to miss. So let's just say the random Jane is looking for powders and they want to come in and see what you have. Where can they find you guys?
Alright, so we are located at number 43 Canaan Drive in Chase Village.
That's right there.
Yeah, it's not far.
It's very easy to find. That's kind of where we are right now. But it's really easy to find whether you're traveling or driving. If you're familiar with Central Trinidad, Chase Village is literally smack dab between Kuva and Chaguanas. So get on the main road, jump in a maxi, you can find it. There's Waze and Google Maps and all these different things. So if you want to come, you could always find it, or you could, like I said, send in your orders via Gmail. So let's talk a little bit about what we are gonna have in store for them over the next couple months. We're talking discounts, we're talking giveaways, we're talking samples
and freebies and you know what? Why it is that we're gonna do this year? Because Henna Trinidad is celebrating 10 years in the business. You're talking about a decade, yo. So 10 years of sheer awesomeness is something that we have to celebrate.
Of course, and what is the fun in celebrating if we're not able to celebrate and share that with you guys? So this is our collaborative way of saying thank you, and for me this is my way of keeping on my Ayurveda hair growth challenge. Ife, I know you're watching my side eye. I love you. I know you're gonna be watching my side eye when you see my video that I posted before about falling off the bandwagon, but have no fear, I will be back on in full stream. She won't let me fall off again.
Oh no.
Trust and believe. But that is about it, guys. So to stay tuned for all the discounts, giveaways, and everything that is going to be happening over the next couple months, make sure you follow Henna Trinidad on Instagram. Is it Henna Trinidad or Henna Trinidad?
Henna Trinidad on Instagram.
Henna Trinidad on Instagram. Henna Trinidad on Facebook. So make sure you like their Facebook page and you follow them on Instagram. I will link everything below so that you don't miss any of the specials. And of course, if you're not following all my other social media, make sure you links are down below as well, because I'm going to be showing you guys the awesome benefits of using the majority of these powders on my hair, skin, body, and then some. So that is it, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. It is so good. It feels good to be back and putting out content for you guys again. Thank you always so much for the support. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.